I'm Andy with Pro-Vac Chimney Sweeps, and we're here down in this little cozy basement to do an inspection of this dryer vent system to make sure everything is properly hooked up so that the dryer is actually pushing all of the pressure through the tubing and to the exterior. Now, one of the best ways to find out if your dryer vent is not properly hooked up is just to take a look at the wall and the surrounding area and see if maybe we have a good amount of lint buildup. Well, this isn't too bad. And so in some cases I find it's really badly built up, and that's usually an indication that it's not hooked up properly. Another thing I want to do is I want to look behind the dryer to see if there's any objects or stuff built up behind the dryer that maybe could cause a fire hazard. And yeah, well, we see here some plastic bags, and of course that's a problem there. We want to make sure that that stuff is not back there that can cause a fire. Let's take a look at the inside here. Obviously it's important to clean the lint out of your lint catcher on a regular basis. I want to take a look here in the inside of this dryer vent lint trap box to make sure it's not heavily built up. If I see that it's really built up, that might be an indicator that the tubing could be plugged. Another thing we want to look at is how we're hooked up to the exterior tube. We want to make sure that we have a good clamp, and ideally to have it taped off with aluminum tape. We don't want to use duct tape because that itself could be a fire hazard. It dries out and it eventually ends up not sticking at all. So we want to use an aluminum tape that's very sticky and is not flammable. And now that we've got the inspection done on the inside and everything seems to be satisfactorily put together, let's head on outside and we'll give this dryer vent a cleaning. So now we'll begin cleaning the dryer on the outside. We want to first make sure, we want to get all this stuff, lots of stuff will be stuck here on the exterior dryer vent hood itself. We'll be putting our rotary system into the dryer vent, and it has a corkscrew type of system that throws the lint backwards. And so we'll put that in here. And using the pressure of the dryer vent itself, the dryer itself, we'll start cleaning this now. And so, there we go. Ooh, there's some stuff come out. There are thousands of dryer vent fires throughout the country every year. The difference between a dryer vent fire and a chimney fire is the dryer vent is part of your house and often runs the course of a house. So when a dryer vent catches fire, it can take a whole house. It's very important to have your dryer vent inspected and or cleaned on a regular basis. And that could be, I would say, if you have dogs, kids, once a year. We'll find a lot of lint build up in there every year. So not a bad idea to have it done once a year.